My Magic Chef MCBC58DST is flashing LLC in the control panel. I can't adjust the temperature and it is so cold that frost is forming in the back and busting open cans of Coke.
Press and hold the pad. Within 1 second press pad and continue holding both for approximately 10 seconds, until you hear a beep sound signaling the control board has been reset to factory setting. If that does not work, unplug the unit for 10 minutes. This should reset the board. If none of the above works, the control board will have to be replaced. If you don't see it, please let me know. Please be aware that this rating is for the quality of my response, not a rating for the overall experience you have had on this site, as this rating reflects on me, not on the site. Rating me will not in any way affect the amount you agreed to pay for the question. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions. Before leaving a negative rating, please discuss it with me first so I can have a chance to remedy the issue. Tips are not expected but are greatly appreciated. Thank you.
When I hold the arrow pads down, a beeping sounds but the display alternates between LLC and LLF.
You say the compressor is running, so the LLF means the computer thinks the compressor is not running, meaning the control board is fried. Try unplugging it or killing power at the breaker for 10 minutes and see if it resets. If not, it's a failed control.
Okay. It is pretty old. I suspect it is fried. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.